The things about my job that excite me from a product set perspective are where we play with all of these interesting new technologies that come to bear. We have customers that range from engineers for a cell phone company to autonomous vehicle development. TTI is a distributor of electronic components. We're part of Berkshire Hathaway, which makes us unique in that we're part of a bigger organization. Being a supplier to military applications, we have a lot of restrictions that just come with doing business with the Department of Defense and its contractors. So security for us resonates throughout our technology stack as well. It's top of mind for everybody. Our legacy package was about to go off of support. A system that's 35 years old, it's like an old leather chair. It shapes to your body. The problem with that is that it wasn't scalable. We're growing now. Over the past 2 years, we've made 7 acquisitions around the globe. Having all of these unique processes was really an inefficient way to run the business. And so what I brought in was fresh perspective about where can we be in 5 years that'll last for the next 20 years. That's when we began to focus on Oracle as a solution. Grant Thornton helped us with getting this solution in place. They've been a great partner to us. What we see from this technology is it gives us the guardrails to do things in a standardized, simplified way around the world. But that foundational process, with the help of the technology, allows us to look globally, act locally, and so that when we buy these companies in other jurisdictions outside of the US, that we're able to move them into our operations quicker and quicker. It's really been an easy-to-tell success story. The speed. It's the speed for me that has really been impressive. I've always been impressed with Oracle from back in the on-prem days, but with this cloud implementation, you really just move in. You don't implement, you move in.